Hi everyone, I'm here today to do a Tivisiy unboxing with you. I've been seeing all of my craft buddies get these amazing 3D wooden lights and gifts from this website. And I was so excited when Rose from Tivisiy contacted me to see if I wanted to review some of their products. And I was like, yes, oh my goodness, yes. So I've cut open the bag, but I have not gotten into the package. It came very fast. They say between 5 and 10 days, and I'm sure it was less than that. So everything's bubble wrapped amazingly. They got here, like I said, pretty quick. So I'm going to cut open the box and show you what I decided to review. Everything packaged up very well, guys. Okay. This is probably the earrings I bought. I did buy, I think it was 2 pair of earrings. Nice gift bag. What kind of this cute little bag. Love it. Oh yeah, I got the butterflies and the cow. Let me open them up. These are so cute. Oh wow, gorgeous guys. Look at this. Absolutely so pretty. I'm looking up the cows. I love butterflies and I also love cows. So these are cute. Oh my goodness, so adorable. And so much detail. Love it. Wow, wow, wow. So those are the 2 earrings that I purchased. And the other 2 items were 3D wood carvings, but they also have LED lights. How are you? Hi, how are you? So it's Hyde Park. I love this box. Everything has styrofoam. It's packaged very well. And it says, who are we? Hyde Park is a home decor brand started with conscious of the environment and wild animals. Everything we curate is designed in-house by our creative and detail-oriented designers and have produced in partnership with our exclusive, sustainable, and ethical factory. We are here to raise awareness of the environment on our planet as well as wild animals to support organizations that make this planet a better place. Every piece we sell is made out of recycled wood, and the paints we use are also certified as substantial. We devote ourselves to the environment and committed to giving the nonprofit organizations to help make the planet a better place. A better planet, a better life. We are on our way. So that's a little bit about them. And guys, once you go to this website, the things that they have and the gifts that you can choose for whoever, oh my goodness. You would have a hard time picking what to choose, but I narrowed it down to this first one, this butterfly, since I love butterflies. Oh my goodness. It's packaged very well. This little crinkle paper looks like it's recycled too. So I'm move the box out of the way. And look at that. Oh my goodness. So beautiful. You can see where it has layers and layers of wood. On the back, it's got the website, Hyde Park, and then it has, this is the light switch. So let me see if I can plug that in. It has a USB. Plug it in. And that's the little switch. Oh, wow. Now, I did not get the one that does all the dancing to the music and everything. I just wanted something that was simple and just, you know, would illuminate. I might take this to work. I'm not sure yet. I might put it in my craft room. But isn't that just a gorgeous piece of work? Oh, my goodness. I love it. So that is the first one. Like I said, I love butterflies. And then this other one it comes boxed just like the butterfly. except for this one is a rabbit. Oh my goodness, he's adorable too. The rabbits are my first love. Oh my goodness. I've always loved rabbits and butterflies, but rabbits were my first love. And look at all the detail in that one too, so pretty. So let me turn this one off. Let me plug in this one. Okay, you might turn this one on. Okay. All that detail inside that rabbit. Look inside, that's another little rabbit, Wow, so pretty. And I have some plants that I'm going to set this next to in there by my fireplace. Oh, that's so beautiful. So those are the two wood carvings that they wanted me to show. But like I said, I also had some extra because they gave you plenty on your gift card to choose what you would like. But these earrings, guys, oh, I can't wait to wear these. They are adorable. Let me show you those one more time. How adorable. So pretty. Love those. So I have a coupon code, and I will make sure I put it down below. It's going to be 15% off. CARO 15. I will make sure I put the coupon code down below. It's for 15% off. And I will also put a link to their website so you can go on there and use the coupon code if you would like. There's tons of stuff. I just love it. And I'm so happy and so thrilled about these. These will make amazing gifts for anybody in your family. Anybody, any occasion, birthday, anniversary, wedding, you name it. They would love it. I would love these as a gift. I really would. And I'm so excited that they let me be a part of this and collab and let me review and send me these free products. Amazing. So thank you, Rose from Tivisiy. Thank you so much. I love it. I love everything that I received. I can't wait to put it in my home or either in my office. So thanks, guys, for watching. Take care for now. Bye-bye. Here he is. I have the lights turned out, and I have him in a little planter. A little plant. I stuck him inside a little plant. I have him turned on. He's so cute. So that is how I did the rabbit. I probably will not leave him there, but I thought I would tuck him in there just for showing you, I guess, some things you could do. So he's cute. He's like he's tucked inside, hiding behind that little plant. So that is the rabbit. Well, let me see what I'm going to do with the butterfly. Okay, now here is the butterfly. I just have him on like a little end table next to my love seat. And it's really bright. But makes at night, I bet it would be so beautiful with all the lights turned off and in the dark. So these are super cute. Very happy with them. Thank you so much, Tivisiy. Okay, I thought I would give you one more detailed look of the items. There's the cow earrings, the butterfly earrings, and I'm going to upload a little clip of how I displayed the bunny and the butterfly. These are just so gorgeous. And they wanted me to make sure that you know that about the product. They're exquisite designs and unique gifts. They're best gifts for family and friends. Each product has different versions. You have some without lights, with LED lights, which is what I purchased. These are just LED lights. They also have some sound activation LED lights, which I did not order those. The best sellers are available in plus size and mega size versions, so you can get like these, but like big, really big. I think these are like the smaller size. And they're suitable for any occasion, home decoration, art, decorations in cafes, bars, offices, and more. So I'm very pleased with the items that I chose. I love them. I think the LED lights are going to be so awesome at night, especially when I turn out the lights. It's going to be like a little ambiance, and I really love this butterfly. He is probably my favorite. But I also do love these butterfly earrings, and these cow earrings are super cute. So that is it, guys. Thank you. All the link will be below. My coupon code will be below. And thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.